Okay, so welcome, my dear friends. Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2 and 2 star. So, in 2 star, I am going to discuss only word problem, and exercise 2 I am going to discuss completely. For this particular chapter belongs to chapter 1 of IGCSE board mathematics and for 8th standard. I have already brought video for exercise 1. Exercise 1 star, I gave homework to my students, and I feel the students would have felt comfortable and their response was very good. They understood, they have commented in a much more better manner. Some of the students they told that some of the questions they could not understand, and even I made them understood in a nice manner later on. Okay, so if you are having any type of problem, you can put comment on my video, and certainly I will be coming back to you. So let us solve this particular exercise 2 and 2 star. So these all questions are related to fractions. You all are aware that nowadays we are discussing about fractions mostly. Okay, so that fraction only we have discussed in exercise 1 also, and now in exercise 2 also the same thing is there. Here how to cancel the common terms that we will be discussing. Okay, so let us see here. It is given in you can say first question. So 4 by 5 into 15 by 16. So now here we can see that if we will be going for 4 and this 16, so in one table it is come, we can divide this 4 and 16 by 4. So 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16 we can write. Similarly 5, we can cancel it as 3. So now our answer will become 3 by 4. Right? Similarly, here in this type of mixed fraction, whenever it is there, we need to convert. Okay, we need to convert into mixed fraction. Sorry, improper fraction first. So for this, it will be becoming 8 3 are 24 plus 3 27 by 8. So we can write 27 by 8 into this one. We will write 9 into 1 9 plus 1 10 10 by 9. So 10 by 9, and we can cancel with this 3. So 3 3 is sorry. Okay, we can cancel, no problem, and 3 9 are 27. Again with 3, we can cancel this 9 as 3. And for this also we can go for cancelling with 2. So 2 4 ja 8 and 2 5 ja 10. So now we have got in numerator 5 into 3. So our answer will become 15, and in denominator we are having only 4. Okay, and again we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So 4 3, so 4 3 are 12, 3 now. So 3 3 by 4 will be the answer. Okay, when we are going to convert it in mixed fraction. Similarly here in next question we will see. So in this many fractions are there, need not to worry. In the same place, some people will go for multiplication of this numerator first and then multiplication of this denominator first. I will advise my students. So in that process also we can do it. Okay, but actually that process will be a little bit cumbersome and will make it much more tedious. So it's better not to go for that particular type of multiplication part. We can cancel here itself, like we can do 3 9s are 27, then 7 3s are 21, then 4 2s are 8, and then again 2 2s are 4. So now in numerator part we have got 3 into 1, so that is 3. Okay, that is 3. And in denominator part everything has got cancelled. No, here 9 is there. Even this 9 also will be cancelled with this 3, like this. And in numerator part now we do not have anything. In numerator part it will be completely 1, and in denominator part we are having 3 into 2, so this will become 6. Okay, right. Similarly, in this one, we can cancel the common term b we can cancel with a, 1a will be getting cancelled, and our answer will become a. Okay, here if we are going for, then again we need to convert it into mixed fractions. So 4, 1, 4, 5. So 5 by 4 into 1 by 5, and you can cancel this 5 by 5, 1 by 4 you will get. Here for this one, let me utilize this space. So 8, 4, 32, 32, 1, so 33 by 4 into, and this one will become what? 11, 4, 44 plus 4, so 48 by 11. And now with this 11 we can cancel it as 3, 4, and we can cancel it as 12. So our answer will become 36. Okay, answer will become 36. Right. Now for the sixth one, we can go for it. So 8, 3 are 24 plus 2, 26 by 3 into, then 7 by 13 into, then 7 on just 7 plus 2, 9, 9 by 7. Now this 7, 7 we can cancel, this 3, 3 we can cancel, this with this 13 we can cancel this 2, and 26. So now it will become 3 into 2, 6. In denominator, everything has got cancelled, so left with 1 only. Okay. Now for this question number 8, for this a square into a will become a cube, so this a cube will get completely cancelled. With this b cube, b square will get cancelled completely with b into b, and we will be getting answer as 1. Right? Okay. Now word type problem is there. So let us solve word type problem. Here we are given 3/7 of the songs in Relays Music Library are rock songs. Okay, so it means 3 by 7, 7th part are rock songs. And if 3 by 7 are rock songs, it means 4 by 7, which we have got. How we have got? We have got with 1 minus 3 by 7. So which is giving us as 4 by 7. So this 4 by 7 part are not rock songs. Are not rock songs. Now further it is given of the rock songs, 7/9 feature a guitar solo. So from this 3 by 7th part, 7/9 is featuring a guitar solo. Okay. So if we are going for 7/9 of this 3 by song, so 7 by 9 of 3 by 7 are guitar solo. Guitar solo. This 7, 7 we can cancel, and then this 3, so it has given 3, 1 by 3. So 1 by 3, so what fraction of the songs? Question is there, what fraction of the songs in Relays Music Library are rock songs featuring a guitar solo? So featuring a guitar solo is 1 by 3 completely. So 1 by 3rd part of Relays Music Library. Relays Music Library are rock songs. Sorry, rock songs with guitar. Okay, rock songs with guitar solo. So our answer will be 1 by 3. Right, so we have to utilize the fraction. In which way we are utilizing the fraction, that only we need to see here. In the word type statement, we are given word, but we need to use fraction. Okay, right, here we are given Imogen was doing her music practice for 1/4 of an hour. So music practice, she is doing 1 by 4th of an hour. It means for 2/3, sorry, okay, 1 by 4th of an hour, it means 3 by 4 of an hour, he is utilizing 3 by 4th hour, they are utilizing for different thing. Okay, Imogen is utilizing for different thing. 1 by 4 only she is utilizing for music practice. 1 by 4. Now for 2/3 of that time, she was practicing her scales. So 2/3 of 1 by 4, it means simply multiplication of 1 by 4. So you can cancel it like 2 and you have got 1 by 6. So now for what fraction of an hour? See, when you are getting 1 here, it means completely it is for 1 hour. Okay, so we need to get 1 in the numerator part. Then only we can say that for as a whole, what will be the fraction. Denominator will tell you. This denominator will tell you that what fraction of that particular part as a whole. When 1 is the numerator, then only. So you can say that 1 by 6 of an hour, she is practicing her scales. Okay, practicing scales 1 by 6. Okay, so our answer will become 1 by 6. Right. Next is there from exercise 2 star, the fraction part 1 to 8. I have not solved here. I feel that the students will be able to solve it properly, so for them it will not be an issue. And but I want to discuss this word type problem, especially for them, where we need to use fractions, how to use fractions. So here question is given, Lucas divides his pizza into 3 equal parts. So a pizza is given to them and it is being divided into 3 equal parts, like this. Okay, so each part represents 1 by 3rd part. So 1 by 3rd, 1 by 3rd, 1 by 3rd. 3 friends have divided this pizza. Now his friend Teddy eats 5 by 8 of his piece for lunch. Okay, and a further 2 by 5 of what remains for dinner. So Teddy got how much? 1 by 3 of the original pizza, 1 by 3rd piece. Okay, right. From this 1 by 3rd, he is taking 5 by 8 of his piece for lunch. Okay, so it means 1 by 3 into 5 by 8. So now it has become right. So 5 by 24. So 5 by 24, which should be subtracted. Now what is remaining? 5 by 24 he has taken from the 1/3 piece what he has got from his piece. What is remaining? Remaining is 1 by 3 minus 5 by 24. And if we are, because we need to make denominator equal, so this one will become 8 by 24 when we will be multiplying this with 8 by 8. So that denominator will become equal for both of them. And our LCM will be equal 24. So 3 by 24. So now it has become 1 by 8. So 1 by 8. So what is remaining? Remaining is 1 by 8. From this 1 by 8, further he is having that Teddy is having 2 by 5 of the remaining for dinner. So 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 into 1 by 8. Okay. So this one will become 2 4 ja 8 and we will be getting 1 by 20. So see here, now 1 has come in numerator as I told, and denominator is showing that what fraction of the original pizza did Teddy eat for dinner. Okay. So Teddy has taken 1 by 20th part, right? So 20th, 1 by 20th part Teddy has taken as dinner. Okay, 1 by 20. One more thing I want to tell you here, that in answer it is given as 1 by 12. So it may be possible only when this Teddy will be having not 2 by 5, 2 by 3rd. In case of 2 by 3rd part, which Teddy will be having for dinner, in that case only you can say it may become 1 by 8 and 2 4. The answer can become 1 by 12. But if 2 by 5 he has taken, he has eaten as dinner, then it will become 1 by 20th. 1 by 20th. He ate for dinner. Okay, right. Next. Here it is given in a factory, 2/3 of the floor area is taken up by the production line. Right? Okay, 2/3. So 2 by 3rd is taken for production. It means 1 by 3rd is for remaining part. Now 3/5 out of the remaining 1/3, okay, 3/5 is taken up by office space, means 3 by 5 of 1/3 is being taken for office space. So this is 1 by 5, we can say office space, right? Okay, now the rest is warehouse space. So rest means from this 1/3 we need to subtract this 1 by 5. Okay, and this one will be giving to us as if we are going for taking LCM. So take LCM will become 15. So here we need to multiply this fraction with 5 by 5. So it will become 5 by 15. So here it will be 5, and this one we are going to multiply with 3. So here it will become 3. So 2 by 15. Okay, so now this 2 by 15 space, you can say, is for warehouse, 2000. So suppose if 2 by 15 of the total area, if I am making it, so it will become 2000 meter square. This is the area, right? Okay, if we will divide both sides by 2 by 15, okay, 15. So this side, this will get cancelled, left with A, and this side it will become 2000 into 15 by 2, and if we are cancelling this one as 1000, so it will become 15,000. So total area is 15,000 meter square. And we need to find out that floor area of the production line. So production line is 2 by 3rd of the production, 2 by 3rd of the area. So 2 by 3rd of this 15,000, and you can cancel it with 5,000. So total you can say 10,000 meter square is utilized for production line. So here our answer will become 10,000 meter square. Okay, so I hope our students would have understood it, and if any doubt they can ask me. So the main thing is how to utilize the fraction to solve different problems which are related in our day-to-day life. Okay.